in here. I love pockets. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul to share with you guys. It's another Shein haul. There's a pair of pants. I was really hoping it was gonna be real good. It's not good. I'm gonna start off with those because let's get the bad parts out of the way. Here's the first piece, not the top, the bottoms. They're supposed to be brown and black, but they don't look brown. They look more orange. When I first tried it on, I absolutely hated it. Now I feel like I could probably make it work. Like if I were to maybe like add like a little pleat detailing right here. And I also tried to do that button thing, and it took me a while to figure out how people do it. So you pull this all the way here, and then you button it. And like, I don't understand how this is supposed to look good. Maybe if you don't have a belly at all. But it obviously looks like there's something wrong. There is a major butt gap. There's a whole lot of space back here. I got this in a 4X. I probably could have done a 3X, but I'm afraid that had I done that, it probably would have been tight enough for me to just rip through immediately. So, no. I think it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back to the store. Next we have this skirt. I love this skirt. I just made a TikTok where I put all of these things into the pockets at the same time. I'm just gonna show you guys me filling up the pockets. It's all in here. I love pockets. I got this in a 2X. It's nice and roomy. I absolutely love the color, this burnt orange rust shade. Where's my pocket? It's really cute. The pockets are extremely deep. They start from here and go all the way to the bottom of the skirt. Absolutely unnecessary. You could wear it with a pair of heels, put on a pair of sneakers, combat boots probably, if you pair it with the right top, with the right jacket. It could literally go with anything. And it's so comfortable, so nice, not see-through at all. It does have to be ironed though. I had this in my dryer for a bit and it didn't get rid of all the wrinkles, but it got rid of most of them. It was super wrinkly. Here's the next piece. It's this shirt. I wanted to try out something different. This has mermaids all over it. When I saw it on the website, the girl, the way it was styled, it was adorable. This is how it is when it's just down straight. I definitely would not wear it that way. Here's how it looks tucked into the skirt. I wasn't planning on wearing it with the skirt. Okay, I mean that's okay. I feel like it would look really cute with an A-line skirt, but I don't know how much I like it. Here's what it looks like cropped. It's pretty cute. I do like it. However, it feels like an umbrella, and I don't like that. So yeah, I'm torn about this. I don't know. It does fit though. I got this one in a 4XL as well. Usually I wear a 1X, sometimes a 2X, sometimes an extra large. It all just depends, but my bust is 46 and my hips are like 52 and my waist is 40. I do like how it looks. I don't like how it feels. But the print is so cute. It's covered in mermaids. It's adorable. Alright, the next thing I got is this t-shirt. How cute is this? It says staying alive, skeletons holding coffee. Everything's written in orange. It's like a reddish orange, which is perfect for me because that's like how I like my oranges. It's so freaking cute, okay? It's just a regular t-shirt. I didn't get it like super oversized or anything, just like comfortably oversized. Because this is something that I want to like make outfits with. Instead of just wearing it around my house and wearing it to sleep. I love it, it's so cute. I really am starting to wish that this skirt were shorter because it's a little long in the front. Can I mean, I could. Kind of looks weird though. The t-shirt feels good. The print actually feels like good quality. It didn't come smelling weird or anything. I like it. This is so cute. Also, if I forget to say the sizes of anything, everything will be listed down below. Next, we have these pants. I freaking love it. Love these so much. And like, they're thick, but not like uncomfortable thick. Like it feels like it's gonna be perfect for fall weather. I'm obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. They are cuffed at the bottom. The cuffs aren't like super tight or anything. It fits freaking perfectly. The waistband is stretchy. This doesn't do anything. I don't mind having it hang here, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't tighten or anything. It's just there for luck. If there's anything to get from this haul, it's these pants or that skirt. The t-shirt's great too. I think they both like go together really well too. This is very comfortable. And like they kind of feel like pajamas. The fit is perfect. I don't remember what size I got. I got this in a 3XL. I'm really glad that I did because it fits exactly the way I wanted it to. I'm not usually one for just like straight up stripes on my pants. And they have pockets. I did not mention that they had pockets, but you guys saw me put my hands in the pockets over and over again. And they're really deep too. Here's my phone case and fits in there perfectly. No worry about it falling out. Perfect. Lastly, we have this shirt. It's so cute. The skirt is an older one that I got from Hot Topic like a year ago or maybe even more. I don't remember anymore, but it's really cute. The shirt though, the shirt is adorable. They have the same one, but a short sleeve version. I wanted the long sleeve version, and I really love it. However, it is cropped. It goes down to right here, which is like just 2 inches from the top of the skirt. What I don't like is how the collar just stands on its own. You see this? If it were just perfectly laying flat, I would like that a lot better. If I can figure out a way to make that happen, then I will be keeping it. It does not like hit my armpits at all. It kind of feels like a dolman, which I'm not against. It is just a very comfortable shirt to wear, and the added collar just makes it look a little cuter, and I love the moons on it. These are embroidered on, they're not like printed, which I like even more because sometimes you get printed stuff on the collars and it just feels like they're going to rub off, and this is like right next to your face, so everybody's gonna see it. That's the whole haul. I'm surprised we went through it so fast. But that's everything that I have to share with you guys today. That's the whole haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other and yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.